Hello, Whole Life Club member. Welcome to the Whole Life Club Live Events Hub portal. This hub was created as a way of helping you gain access to and plan for our upcoming Whole Life Club events in one convenient location. When you access the main page, you'll first be greeted by a short welcome video, which we recommend you take just a few moments to listen to. And once you do, you can scroll down to come across our upcoming events carousel. This carousel gives you a snapshot into what the next 5 events will be. In order to see all the dates, just toggle between the arrows so that you get a good idea of what's available to sign up for. Once you've picked the event that you're interested in signing up for, simply go to the Go to Events page, which will then bring you to the registration page. Before you register, just verify that you have the correct day and time. Once you've done that check, hit register, fill out your information with your email and your name, click confirm registration, and this will bring you to your registration is complete page. From here, you can click back to event, which will bring you to the view ticket view. On the view ticket page, you'll notice a few things. One, it'll give you a notification that the lobby to this event space opens about 10 days before the event is set to happen. This will then change over to the join event view. If you click on the view ticket view, it gives you just a bit more information about the event that you signed up for, the date and time. You have the ability to add this event to your calendar, your personal calendar, if you'd like a reminder, as well as alternative joining methods, either via the Zoom room or via audio if you are having trouble accessing the join button. Now, when the event opens within about a 10-day period, you can go to the event and this will bring you to the join page. Once the join button is live, you simply click that. You'll be invited to enter the lobby. And on the day of, this is one of the ways that you can access the live event. Now, if you'd like to see what else is coming up beyond this 5-day snapshot, simply click on View All, and this will bring you to a page where we have all of the events that are available for registration. You'll notice that it's going to start with the date furthest out, and it's going to end with the date that is most upcoming. Because of how many events are on this page, we do recommend that you utilize the search tool to help you narrow down the events that you'd like to sign up for. So if you're a big fan of the In the Kitchen events, simply type in kitchen into the search bar, and all of the In the Kitchen events will appear here for you to register. You could do the same with Community Connection Call by typing in community. For table topics, you'll type in table. For member support call, you'll type in support. And for Q&A, you'll type in questions. This will give you a good idea of all of the events that we have available for you to register for. And from here, you can do the same as you can do on the upcoming events carousel. Select the event that you'd like to attend, click register, confirm your registration, see your registration is complete view. You can go back to your ticket and you're all set there. Now, another function that may be helpful is our filter by date function. And this can be something that can be utilized if you are wanting to plan out your schedule and you may have either a conflict or you want to make sure that you have the day and space available. So you'll click on filter by date, select the date that you're interested in just to see if there are any upcoming events on that day. So on this particular day, we do have an event scheduled. Once you clear that, you'll be brought back to all of the events that are available for registration. From this view, you have the ability to sign up for as many as you'd like. So there's actually a tickets function here to help you narrow down what it is you signed up for or what it is that's upcoming. This can also be another way to access the live event on the day of. So if you can't remember what you signed up for, simply come over to this login icon over here, whether that's your picture or your initials, select tickets, and you will be brought to all of the tickets that you currently have on from your registration. It's also important to know that when you do register for your live events, once you get that initial confirmation email, you will automatically be enrolled in reminder emails 1 week, 1 day, and 1 hour before the event is set to begin. So there's ample ways to be reminded of which events you signed up for and which events are upcoming on your calendar. Now, to get back to the main page, click Hubs and scroll down to where you see Whole Life Club live events. This is going to be helpful for the next feature in this hub, which is accessing the live event recordings. So once you have registered for your event, you attended the event, we now have the ability to upload the recordings directly to this portal about 1 hour after the event concludes, and you'll see them broken up into sections. So right now we have an example of the Community Connections recording, and this carousel style is going to be very similar to what you just saw for the upcoming events. You'll see the most recent recordings available. When you click on View All, although we only have the Community Connection option right now, they will be broken up into categories for easier searching, whether that is table topics, in the kitchen, member support call, or Q&As. We don't actually record our community connection calls due to the fact that members are in breakout rooms. So this here is just strictly for an example. But as you continue to use the hub and you get used to signing up for events, you'll start to see all of those recordings in this area. It's also helpful to know that once the recordings have been loaded to the hub, you will actually receive an email letting you know that it is available. So if you signed up for an event and you maybe missed something and you want to go back to view it, if you signed up through this registration portal, you will get that information that the recording is now available for viewing. If you signed up for this event and then on the day of you ended up having a conflict and you were not able to attend, if you registered and signed up through this portal, you'll also get that notification that the recording is now available for viewing. And that is just a short overview of our Whole Life Club live events hub. We hope that this is helpful and we look forward to seeing you at our upcoming live events.